Dear friends, today's topic is how to use broadcast in WhatsApp. So let us go to WhatsApp, click WhatsApp. Then in order to create broadcast, just press the top right side 3 dots. Click that. Then select new broadcast, second option. New group is first option. New broadcast is second option. Click that. Okay, now you can able to using this WhatsApp broadcast, you can able to send messages that is available in your contact book, right? Maximum of 256 messages can be broadcasted, and when you send the messages, it is not sending like in a group, but without creating a group, just need to add members in the broadcast up to maximum of 256, and each members in the broadcast will receive the message in their WhatsApp as individual chat. So that is the feature of this broadcast. So let me select two members. Right, I am selecting my own official number, two other official numbers. Okay. Similarly, you can add up many other members for the broadcast, WhatsApp broadcast. Now click tick this, click tick mark. Okay, now you have created a broadcast list with 2 recipients. Similarly, you can add, just click on to the top, that is click on to the top. See here at the bottom you have delete broadcast list, then edit recipients. Click on to that. You can add some more people. Okay, yes, I am adding. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, I am adding. So similarly you can add up many more. So 3 recipients were added. Right? So similarly you can add up a maximum of 256 recipients. Right? And this creation of broadcast is entirely different from creating a WhatsApp group. Means that only when the concerned recipient, when they come to the group, that is a WhatsApp group, only then they can able to see the chat messages. Whereas in the case of broadcast, only you can send the message, and that message, WhatsApp message that is sent to the concerned, the end party or the other opposite party will receive your message individually, right? So let us see that. Okay, we added 3 recipients. Then, and also see here, you can also add, instead of these 3 recipients, you can add also you can edit this. See here, sorry, also edit this. So broadcast list name can be generated. So I am just typing the or naming the broadcast name. Okay, so just wait. Right, this is the broadcast name. Now click OK. Okay, so similarly you can edit as per your choice, right? So now only in this particular name the message will reach the recipient. Okay, so let us do one message. Hi, I have created a WhatsApp broadcast. Okay, so let me send it. So when you send this broadcast list, it will, okay, broadcast message has been sent. Okay, now So 3 recipients will receive this message. Right? Let us go and see how it is visible. Okay, come back. Let us go to this. Yes. See here, I have received the message. Then let me go here. Yes, I have received the message. Okay. So this is the broadcast. This one. This is entirely different from creating a group. Okay. So individually you get the message. Right. That's a broadcast. Okay. So this is the process how to create a WhatsApp broadcast. Okay. And let me explore. Broadcast wallpaper also we can change. Let us solid colors. Add photos. Set wallpaper for this chat. Okay. Okay, click OK. Let us go back, and wallpaper dimming also you can make. It's too much dim. So let me. Okay, then go back. Yes. Then let us explore much more. Go to that broadcast list info. So 3 recipients. Broadcast list media. Media have not sent. Search. And search also. More. You can also clear chat, export chat, then add shortcut. Okay. And suppose if you delete broadcast list, it will be the entire broadcast list will be deleted. Okay. Then what is this? Okay, that is nothing but editing the recipient. Okay. So 3 I have added. So when you click the top right side with the plus symbol, so you can do editing work. This is editing for the broadcast name. Okay. Let us come back. Then okay, let me send one gallery. Okay, let me send one photo via WhatsApp broadcast. Okay. Okay, the message was sent via broadcast. Okay, WhatsApp broadcast. Now let me check. Okay, the message was received. Message is received. So okay, let me check this whether the message was read or not. Okay, in order to do that, what you have to do is you have to select the image, go to the top right side, 3 dots, just click onto it, click info, seen just now, delivered to just now. Okay. Just wait. Let me also see my So the message we can able to see, similar to viewing the message whether it has been read or not, we can able to check. Okay, so this is a process how to create a WhatsApp broadcast. Okay, wonderful application. Most of us are using WhatsApp group, but mostly many of us may not be using WhatsApp broadcast. So try to use it. Let us utilize the technology as far as possible. Thank you, friends. Thank you so much.